Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make love in Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is to combine earth and wind to create dust, then combine two water to create a lake, then combine it with water to create ocean, then combine it with dust to create the sand, then combine earth and water to create plant. After that, combine two sand to create the desert. After that, combine desert and ocean to create mirage. After that, combine two mirage to create oasis. Then combine it with plant to create the date. Then combine it with water to create dating. Then finally, combine it with fire to create love. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.